Hey guys, welcome and happy Friday. Yes, it is Friday. And it's like 8 a.m. and I'm not at work. Yeah, so I kind of just didn't want to go to work today, so I did not. I just told him I will not be coming in today. So yeah, I have today to clean. My room is a mess. No kidding. Alright guys, so I am going to be cleaning my room, cleaning the house, just doing all the chores, washing everything today so I don't have to do it tomorrow. So I'll have a free day tomorrow to film things, and I will be filming some things today because I want to finish by 12 p.m. So it's now 8, so 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to... So I have 4 hours to clean, to wash. So I'm gonna get started, guys, and I will see you along the way. Alright guys, so right now this is the mess of my room. It is not good. So I sleep in that bed, so that's just the makeup. But over here, I kind of got frustrated. I went into this bag on Sunday. Bear in mind, on Sunday. And I took out something out of it, and I had to be sitting on the bag to close it. I'm like, where did all these clothes come from? So today I have this drawer here because I have a lot of things in this drawer I don't wear, so I'm gonna declutter all of that thing. I'm gonna fix up all of that, and then I could probably fit some of that clothes in my drawer. So we gonna see. We are going to see, because quite frankly those are the only clothes I have that are dirty, so these are all clean stuff. So yeah, we need to get all these clothes hanged and put in my drawers so I can get this room back up to my standards. So yeah guys, as I said, I got 4 hours and I want to finish by 12 so I can do some videoing, and I have a video to upload today as well. So yeah guys, the video I wanted to upload, though, I did not get to film it, so that will not be uploaded today. That will be done next week, Thursday. So I'm gonna film it today so I can upload it next week, Friday, sorry. So I'm now uploading Tuesdays and Fridays because it was Tuesdays and Thursdays, but when I upload on a Tuesday, sometimes I forget to upload it on a Thursday, or sometimes I'm too busy on a Wednesday to edit the video and I don't have the time on a Thursday to do it. So it's better if I have the Thursday to edit and so on, because I have more time on a Thursday afternoon than I do on a Wednesday. So it's better for me to upload on a Friday afternoon. So yeah, it's now Tuesdays and Fridays until I have more time, which I have some information for you guys, but I don't want to spoil anything. I don't want to give away anything as yet, so just stay tuned. Please subscribe. Hey guys, update time. So it is now 9:33. I have finished doing my laundry, so I took 1.5 hours to do my laundry, so it wasn't bad. So yeah, okay guys, so we are gonna sort those drawers right there and then pack up, and I'll see you guys along the way. Hey guys, so it is now 12:39. I'm still not finished cleaning, but I just paused to have lunch, so I'm making myself some lunch. Hey guys, it's supposed to be done. Ooh, yum. So yeah, let's get us some lunch. Alright guys, just got finished with having lunch and I got my clothes off the line, so I'm gonna finish doing work. It even looks like I haven't even started anything, but trust me, this looks worse than how I started this morning. This is so bad. This is what I'm throwing out. These I'm going to pack up to give somebody. These are my beach stuff, so I need to put these somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna fold all these clothes and see if I can get them to fit throughout what is not supposed to be in there and all that. So alright guys, I'm finally finished. I packed up my bags. They're now back where they're supposed to be, and my drawers are now filled. This one is poking out a bit. Perfect. Yeah, so all that's clean. The floor is clean now. But it's like 3:13, 3:14 right now. I did expect to finish at 12 as I said, and when I meant 12, I meant finish doing the entire house. I just finished my room and it's 3:13. God, time flies. But I'm gonna rest a little and then see what I can do around the house. So yeah. Good morning, Shakay squad. What is up, you guys? So it's Saturday morning, and as you guys know, or as you've seen in the previous clips, I was home all day yesterday. So basically I did everything yesterday, so I have nothing much to do today. But I did not get to wash my hair, so I'm gonna be washing this here today. Well, actually right now after I make my bed. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I was editing and I realized I did not end my clip from yesterday, from the weekend. So basically we had, after I washed my hair, I did some filming, and then on Sunday we had family Sunday, so I did not get to vlog any of that. I was super busy helping to serve and stuff, and then yesterday just went to work. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below, and I hope you guys have a peaceful week. Bye.
Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.